Hello and welcome back to Liagel Show, where we educate and entertain. This will form part of the second video based on the IS and LM calculations. Remember, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment on our videos. Now, if you missed the first part of this question, please visit our channel and check on the calculation based on IS curve. On this video, we'll be showing you how to derive the LM curve, and we are saying that money supply is equal to money demand. And remember, we are using the real money supply. Now our money supply is given in our question as 200 is equal to money demand is in three motives, so that is transactionary, precautionary and speculative. So we'll add all of them, that is transactionary and precautionary is 0.5y, which is here, plus speculative demand for money, which is 100 minus 2000 r. Now in this step we'll be collecting like terms. So by collecting like terms, you're going to have 0.5y is equal to 100 plus 2000 r. Now we divide both sides by 0.5 by 0.5. This is 2000 r divided by 0.5. If you cancel here, we're going to have y is equal to, you can just fit this into your calculator. So 100 divided by 0.5, you're having 200 plus 2000 divided by 0.5 is 4000 r, and that becomes our LM curve equation. Now the equation can be from this point that you find the values of r and y. Now for you to get the value of r and y, we'll have to equate these two equations. At equilibrium, IS will be equal to LM, and remember from our previous calculations, our IS value was 1000 minus 4000 r. Now is equal to now what we now have here as the LM equation, which is 200 plus 4000 r. Remember, if you missed the calculation on IS, please check on the video to see how we came to find 1000 minus 4000 r. So by collecting like terms, you're going to have 1000 minus 200 is equal to 4000 r plus 4000 r. So here you're going to have 800 is equal to 8000 r. Now by dividing both sides by 8000, we are going to find the value of r to be, remember, if you divide this keenly using your calculator, you are going to get this as 0.1 to be our interest rate. Then what about the value of y? How will you calculate this? You can either use the equation of the IS, but in this case let us use that of the IS. We found y was equal to 1000 minus 4000 r, but now our r is 0.1 into 0.1. When we solve this, you will find your y as 600. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like, share and drop a comment below this video.